Hello YouTube, we just wanted to show you how a 3/8 swivel is made. We're making a swivel part for my camera boom. We want to be able to pivot the camera this way or that way, which I could probably show you better on this. So we want to be able to keep your camera this way or this way. Well, these are loose, pretty wobbly, so we're having an idea with a bolt in it. We want to show you how these are made, okay? Let's zoom in here because we're having fun learning that. We got about our setting here. Okay. Now how these work is they pivot on the pin. The pin is held in the little block, which is rectangle, not square, a little block, okay? The pin is held in there. See how it turns inside these pieces. Okay, because what they do is, see how they chisel that, which makes that bigger? You can do this on something. If you have a pin to put in something like a hard roll pin, and it's kind of loose, you can do this with a chisel. But remember, you can also ruin the hole that it's going into. So it's one of them things, do at your own risk if you're repairing something. Don't do it on a firearm or something and ruin it on a gun. I wouldn't do that. I just go to the gunsmith where and get the proper new pin or something. It just depends on what it is. Okay, you got this, that little piece of wire. See how it's lifted up, bent? I don't know if you can see it. See that? So it acts like a spring. That goes in this little groove. See how this side's flat? This goes in the groove. That's what gives you the tension on these U-joints. Which to me it's like a U-joint. So I call it a U-joint. Okay. Use your appropriate roll pin punch or make one, okay? Now, let's zoom back out so we're not so crammed in here. Hit them either way, okay? What I did is I opened the vise jaws just enough for this to set for this pin to clear and laid it on the vise like this. Now, I hit it one way and it didn't want to move. So I turned it over and I hit it the other way and it wanted to move a little bit easier. But like I said, I started out with a center punch, a cheapy one. I kind of flattened the edge because this is hard steel, but I didn't care. You know, I took the point off. They got it to move. Then I went in and put this on it because this just kept slopping around because it was raised. But once I got it down in the indent a little bit, so there's a secret too. You can take a center punch, try to get it to move a little bit. Because just kept wanting to glance off there. I didn't hit it real hard. I only used like a little 1-pound hammer. But this one's made by, not to promote any companies, this one's old USA Blackhawk. This is a 9/16 socket one. This is made by Husky. I remember. Husky brand in USA. Okay, if you bear with me, I'll get this piece off, which I forgot to do. Might as well show you what I'm going to do on my camera boom. Okay, this part that goes on there. Okay, we're going to shorten this up. We're going to epoxy this on there. Okay, it'll be level. We'll get this all shortened. We might just use the cheap epoxy. We had good luck with it. The PC7 epoxy is good, but it can take you over a day or more to cure. So that could be on there, right? So say that's glued there. The part that's going to be for the camera part, I'm probably going to put a bolt in here with a nut coming up. Okay? And then what I'll do is, that'll be epoxy. I'll take like, kind of how I repaired my camera. If you remember my camera video, anybody watch it. I'll probably go like this and have a bolt, and then put like a rubber pad to cover the bolt head. And then I'll come over here and say your camera has the hole right here, right? So that I can put my little screw here to hold the camera. So this will be like a little plate mounted. I think you get what I mean. It'll be bolted in there. I cannot tell you how thick this is. I have this. I've got a piece of aluminum. You can bend this. I ain't going to try to bend aluminum. I done it one day and cracked a piece of it. I have a couple of these little pieces of aluminum. Approximately 1/8 inch thick. I mean, we can guess. But there you go. I don't want to have too long of a video. We'll snap a couple pictures of all these old parts here so you can see them. And thanks for watching.